everybody, welcome back to Drive It Out. My name is Adam and we are here at the 2022 SEMA Show in Las Vegas, Nevada. There's so many amazing things to see here. The SEMA Show is so unique and unapologetically awesome. And I tell you what, right now we specifically are in the Dodge booth and we are looking at their last call models. Now, what is the significance of that? So the Dodge Challenger and the Dodge Charger, as we know them, are kind of going away, right? So what they're doing here at the end for 2023 is they're making some limited editions. Now this in particular here is a swinger edition. You see it right there on the dash. You've got that green swinger sign out. The color of this car is called F8 green. And I think that when you get a big, loud car, you should get unique colors. I like when you get unique colors. This isn't gray or white. It's this cool green. Now, it's not that sublime, that really bright green that Dodge offers, but it's a little more subtle. But I like it because it's unique. So now, what are you going to get here? With some of these last call models, you know, with like the King Daytona or the Black Ghost, you've got that big red-eye powertrain, right? This is the Scat Pack, so you've got 392 cubic inches. But I tell you what, 487 horsepower is plenty to get the job done. 470 foot-pounds of torque, that's what you're gonna get in here. Now it's a Charger. You know, they offer only the automatic in here, but you got that good 8-speed ZF automatic transmission in here, which is one of the great things about this vehicle. But I tell you what, if you're a fan of the Charger as we know it now, and you really like these vehicles, maybe you want to get in here at the end and get one of these limited editions. You know, they get the wide body going on, they look really tough, and it could be valuable to get one of these last call editions. I tell you what, they're awesome. I don't know what's coming next for Challenger and Charger specifically, but these are great vehicles. I tell you what, if you want to be able to have a car that is fun, with lots of power, and going to fit the whole family, or you know, some friends in the back, this is basically a four-door muscle car, and I think you're gonna dig it. And you know what? And they bring the accents, like many of these last call cars, the color from the outside kind of comes to the inside, so they've trimmed things up with the stitching in here with this beautiful green that's on the outside of this car, and I think that you gotta love it. But tell you what, Dodge Charger, as we know it, is gonna change. I think there's so much to still love about these. The muscle car feel that still lives in this vehicle, unlike any other. You've got these beautiful analog gauges up here that you would expect from a good muscle car, but you've got modern amenities, and you've got great infotainment, what they've done here, and you've got a good digital screen in between your gauges over there as well. We've talked about all these last call models. I want to show you all of them, so if you get a chance, watch the videos on all these last call models that are here. Again, there's 6 here. Now there's 7 total last call models that Dodge is doing here. They weren't able to quite get that 7th one here, but 6 of them are here. These are very cool. They're all made in limited numbers. Check this one out, the Swinger Edition Charger. This one is pretty awesome. So again, thank you so much for watching. You can find us on Instagram at Drive It Out. I am personally on Instagram at Naturally Aspirated Adam. You can find us at driveitout.com. And I'm excited to show you more here at SEMA, so check out more videos. I'm super stoked that you took the time to watch this one today. So thank you, and I will see you in the next one.